Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to protect a cell range in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to lock down specific cells so people you share your sheet with can only edit what you want them to, which is super useful for keeping your important data safe from accidental changes. Whether you're managing a budget, a master sheet at work, or just organizing a group project, knowing how to protect parts of your sheet gives you a lot more control. Let's dive right in. First off, you're going to head down to the bottom of your Google Sheet where the sheet's name appears. This is usually in the tab at the very bottom left corner. If you have multiple sheets, you'll see them lined up there. Right-click on the sheet name you want to protect and you'll see a little menu pop up. If you're new to Google Sheets, right-clicking just means using the secondary button on your mouse, or you can tap with 2 fingers if you're on a trackpad. From that menu, you're going to select Protect Sheet. This is the magic option that opens up all the protection settings. You'll notice a new panel pops up on the right side of your screen. Don't worry, nothing has changed in your sheet quite yet. Here you'll see 2 tabs, one for protecting the entire sheet and one labeled Range. Since today we're focusing on protecting just a certain range and not the whole sheet, make sure you're over in that Range tab. Now look for a little box or grid icon. It's on the right side of the Range field. Click that. This opens up a mini window where you can select exactly which cells you want to protect. You can type the range directly like A1, B10, or you can use your mouse to just click and drag over the cells in your sheet. It helps to be precise here, so take your time. This might take a few moments if you have a large area to cover. When you've got the right cells selected, hit OK. Next, you'll set permissions. This is where you define what level of protection you want. You'll have a couple of options. One, you can show a warning when editing this range. This doesn't actually block anyone, it just pops up a little warning if someone tries to edit, reminding them to be careful. It's a gentle nudge, perfect for when you want collaboration but still want folks to pause before making changes. The second option is where the real protection comes in. Restrict who can edit this range. If you pick this, you can lock the range so only certain people can make changes. You can choose only you, so just your account can edit, or custom, where you can add specific people, for example, your manager, a team member, or anyone else who needs editing privileges. This is super helpful for shared spreadsheets, like when you want to freeze formulas but let your team plug in data elsewhere. Once you've chosen your settings, just click Done. And that's it. The range you selected is now protected according to the permissions you set. If anyone tries to edit those cells who isn't authorized, Google Sheets will step in and block the change or show a warning, depending on what you picked. And there you go, a quick but thorough way to keep your data safe and your spreadsheets running smoothly. Give it a try and you'll be amazed at how much smoother your collaborative projects get. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions, just drop a comment down below. I answer everyone. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.